All right, so in this practice activity for functions, we're making changes to the function. So we have our set flyer that's running, kind of what we've been doing in previous practices, and our flyer's moving across. We have our set flyer right here. We have our tree background right here. So it says a nice benefit of using functions to remove repeated code is that you can easily make changes to multiple places in your code. Just change how you create the functions, and your program will now use the new code everywhere your function is called. So it says do this, make changes to the set flyer function to make the sprite's location and speed random. All right, so we have our function right here that's set flyer, and instead of .y, the flyer.y that we have 200, we're just going to have it move in different spots on the y axis here. So, and we want it to be random. Okay, so what we're going to do, so what we need to do is make changes to the function right here. All right, so we're going to add in the y-axis. So let's go ahead and add a random number. And what we want to do is really be along this whole area here. So if we look at the grid, it spans from 0 for the y all the way to 400. Okay, so let's just go ahead and make this 0 to 400. So now what should happen is it will appear up here. When it gets to the end, it's going to go through, it's going to be -50, right? So in our draw loop, it's going to end up setting the flyer again, and it will go down here and set the X location to 450, so over on this side, and then a random number 0 to 400, and so it should be somewhere along here, and here it is right here. All right, and then I'll keep doing that over and over and over. So hopefully that helps you, and good luck.